Hello everyone, welcome back to the LEGOxuan channel. As usual, I disappeared for about a year. That's nothing new, but I'm not going to make a whole apology video as I usually do, or where I've been whole video dedicated to it, because I seem to do that often. And I don't want to start rambling about a schedule because, let's be realistic, I'm not going to stick to it. But I do want to get back into this channel, guys. 2025 is the year. It's the year for LEGOxuan. LEGOxuan has always been a side project, you know, I don't make any money from it. I pour more money into LEGO than it gives back to me, but it's just honestly a hobby, and I really want to do more videos. I want to post more LEGO content because I do a lot of LEGO stuff in my own time. I just don't get around to posting and editing and making content about it because it takes up a decent amount of time. Starting from this video, it's time to try and return and maybe try and let's set a goal. Let's hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year. We might actually be able to do it because the channel seems to grow without me even knowing. So if I consistently upload, hopefully people can kind of stick around for it. So let's get right into this video. Now you're getting some behind the scenes. I have a lot of parts. This is an unsorted box of LEGO minifigures. I have a lot of minifigures in here. There's minifigures everywhere. There is just minifigures unsorted all over the place, genuinely. Now I have been working on trying to sort all my parts into colors. You know, not part type yet, but colors at least is a start. And I have my sorted parts, well, so far the sorted parts, in a drawer here, which is all like legs, torsos. But honestly, I just buy so many parts and I just don't get around to sorting them, and it's my fault, so it kind of gets crazy. But today I've been gifted more parts, which is why I was showing you that brief sort of behind the scenes bit. Yep, I've been donated something. It's something that is a mystery to both them and me because I have no idea what's inside, but all I know is that it's LEGO. So we're going to unbox that and have a look together, pretty much. It's more like this. It's a giant silly head. I believe that's what they're called, at least. This is a genuine licensed LEGO product. I don't know if I'm going to keep this thing because it kind of takes up space and doesn't really fit my bedroom sort of packaging style. And obviously you saw those transparent boxes I'm using for bricks and minifigures so far. So yeah, this was given to me as a gift. As you can see, it's filthy. This is a classic sign of LEGO rejecting, which is definitely what I've done in the past. So I have no idea what's inside of this. Let's open it up. Okay, I've got the plan view kind of angle. Hopefully the lighting's decent enough. I've honestly just got one light source and my, you know, light from above me. So hopefully that picks up the whatever's inside well enough. Let's just open this, to be honest. Let's just tip this out, to be honest, and we'll have a look. Now, I'm just going to go through each of the figures and, you know, kind of take a look at what is what. They all seem to be in the correct pieces, though. Like, they don't seem to be broken apart. So, as you can kind of see, well, they're blurred out in the background, luckily. I've sorted them all into three sections, really. So we're going to go through them individually. I was genuinely surprised at what was in here, so this is really exciting, guys. So I'm just starting off with the first part, which is the quote-unquote more boring section. We've got this guy here. Clearly this was a custom. I cannot seem to find any of the parts that connect him. This helmet seems to be part of his, you know, face. The chest piece and the actual shield, they go together. The legs, I don't think go, but the blank torso as well. I just got some little accessories here, which I couldn't find the origins for, so we've just kind of kept them separate. We've got a little honey pot there, which I don't know what's from. I believe from my research, this is Crate. And funny enough, the fun fact is that he's from the 4th season of LEGO Ninjago, and that's actually the only season that I watched from start to finish as a kid. So I kind of remember the design. I'm not really excited about LEGO Ninjago anymore, but the pieces are really, really cool. Those swords are cool, the skull is cool. So yeah, personally, this is my favorite of the findings, I guess. This is the 2024 advent calendar for Marvel. I haven't had a Marvel advent calendar or even a LEGO advent calendar for many, many years, so this is really exciting. I've never gotten a Christmas sweater, so it's really cool to see Spider-Man and Black Widow in their Christmas jumpers. This is Okoye from obviously the Black Panther sort of film series. A Wong minifigure, which I've never owned, as well as a Doctor Strange I've never owned, so this is really cool to get sort of the mystic side of the Marvel universe. And it's the updated cape piece, which I don't own one of these yet. Honestly, still a bit confused why Captain America has a jetpack, but this is just one of those things that LEGO does, I suppose. This is actually his suit from the first Avengers, which is really, really cool. The snowman pieces are really cool. I believe those are some kind of pistols, so I could just take this apart, honestly, because I don't really care about the snowman build. Don't forget the little dark blue micro figure, which I only own the Ant-Man one, so that's really, really cool to get something different. The last figure is the Mark 85 suit. This is obviously from Endgame. I haven't had an Iron Man figure in so long. You can tell that I just haven't bought much LEGO in a long time. I just buy parts at this point. point, but this is really, really cool. I've not had an updated Iron Man figure in years, and this is the newer helmet piece, which is cool to see. So yeah, great figure, great selection of minifigures. So now this might be the most exciting section for a lot of people, because these are classic CMF minifigures from many, many years ago. I'm not going to go through them individually because obviously it's just going to take too long. There's a lot of parts that I can use for customs and things, which I'm really excited about. Some of them I'm going to keep intact because I want to put them in my display with the rest of my CMF minifigures, but there's definitely a lot of duplicates that I have, like the cool looking space jet guy over there, and like the Cyclops, the samurai guy, the spy, wizard. So yeah, I'll definitely take apart the ones that I've already got, but a lot of these I'm going to keep intact because they're just really, really cool to own, and I've just never had them before. So guys, that comes to the end of another LEGOxuan video. Apologies if I ramble a lot in this video, and at least hopefully you guys found some enjoyment. Let me know which minifigures you own out of this pile. Probably you own a lot of them, or even all of them if you are a real LEGO fan. So just let me know in the comments below. Tell me which one your favorite. Subscribe, like, comment, because I'm going to be uploading way more in the coming weeks. So yeah, stay tuned for some more LEGOxuan video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.